Hello, hello. Time to bring some technical divers out for some Sidemount dive and to show how flexible is this equipment. At the moment I'm in a Melasti beach, Amed Melasti beach. Long-term villa project becomes completed, looks like. Anyways, pretty terrible view on a beach, all in a trash. But I never been really talking about what's going on underwater. It's been 2 years since we are in this situation, and there is a lot of discussions about is it good or it was bad for the sea. Someone said all the dive sites got like a kind of rest from all the divers, but I think it's actually created bigger problems than it was before with all the divers. When there was a diving, it was kind of protected. There was some people all the time on the dive sites, and that's why no one was really using nets. No one was spear fishing with the tanks in that site, and that's why we had big fishes, bombhead, parrot fishes, and that stuff what you've seen on my videos. But since last year it became worse and worse. During the night dives we see so many injured groupers. No parrotfish anymore in a Liberty wreck. Previously all the people were so impressed with all these parrotfish night dives that the Liberty wreck was my favorite ones. Well, now I start to feel as before. I'm going with the divers to the night dive, to the Liberty, and there is nothing really to show anymore. And that's the result of all these 2 years. Whatever people say, more spearfishing, more catching fish with the nets. You remember I took so many nets out last year. Now it's kind of, I don't know, maybe everybody became more trained for fishing, or maybe, I don't know, they started seeing some advantages from going back to the tourism, and that's why they are not fishing anymore that much with the nets, or they doing it in an open sea, not close to the coastline anymore. But Laura did some macro dives, I did Sidemount dive. What else been happening? Some night dives. It's a footage from about 3 days. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.